Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have pyridine, third position you have chlorine, and you reacting with sodamide and liquid ammonia. You have to guess what will be the final product. Here by looking at the reagent, you might guess it's a Benzyne mechanism. First step, proton abstraction happen. There are the two acidic proton, but the proton near to the lone pair have high repulsion, so the repulsion don't allow the formation, so proton abstraction happened at the fourth position. Then the benzene formed at the fourth position. Further amide attacks, you have final product, but there are the two possibilities, so you have the mixture 3 amino and 4 amino pyridine form. The concept you have to learn here is, here regioselectivity occurs due to the stability of anion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.